Hi, welcome to the AllCasesHere. In this video we are going to talk about the top best Samsung A54 screen protectors 2023 you can buy on Amazon. Please subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon for more videos. This list is based on my personal opinion and research and lists them based on quality, features and pricing. If you want more information and updated pricing on the products mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description below. Welcome to the ultimate guide for finding the best Samsung A54 screen protectors. The newly released Galaxy A54 is the latest smartphone from Samsung, and like its predecessor, it features Gorilla Glass 5 protection for the display. It's important to invest in a screen protector to keep your phone's display scratch-free. Here, we've rounded up the best screen protectors available for the Galaxy A54 so that you can find the right one for your device. Keep reading to discover the perfect screen protector for your Samsung A54. I have prepared this video guide for the best Samsung A54 screen protectors 2023, so let's get started. 3. Super Shield's Tempered Screen Protector. Made from high-quality tempered glass, our screen protector provides maximum scratch protection, no residue when removed, and the added bonus of a 2.5D rounded edge for comfort on your fingers and hand. With a 9 hours hardness rating, 99.99% HD clarity, and maintaining your device's original touch experience, this screen protector is the optimal choice. Not only does this screen protector offer superior protection, but it also features a hydrophobic and oleophobic coating to reduce sweat and fingerprints. With an easy installation process and a bubble-free application, this top-of-the-line tempered glass will make sure your device is properly protected. Whether you are using your device for business or pleasure, this screen protector will ensure that your device remains looking and feeling like new. 2. Unique Me Screen Protector. This premium quality tempered glass screen protector has been tested and experimented with the characteristics of the A54 sensor and fingerprint, so it matches the design of the phone perfectly and ensures there are no contact issues. Using advanced technology and high-grade materials, the camera lens protector not only protects your phone, but it also doesn't affect the pixels and restores the original picture. This screen protector also features a professional dual screen coating that prevents sweat and oil residue from fingerprints. Plus, with an installation frame, you don't have to worry about air bubbles when it's on your phone. And since it's designed not to cover the entire phone screen, this Galaxy A54 screen protector tempered glass is compatible with most cases. 1. Super Shield's Clear Shield Protector. The high-definition transparency film ensures maximum resolution for a real touch sensitivity feel that provides flawless touchscreen accuracy. It also provides protection from daily scratches, dust and scrapes. Super Shield's screen protector is made of high-grade material that is scratch-resistant and dust-repellent. This film also prevents fingerprints and smudges, so you can enjoy a crystal-clear view of your phone's display. The installation of the Super Shield screen protector is easy, as it comes with an installation frame. This frame helps you to position the film correctly and also holds it in place while you're applying it to your phone's display. The screen protector is reachable and is designed with a special coating to maximize the clarity of your phone's screen. This screen protector also features an anti-glare coating to reduce reflections and eye strain. So guys, this was the video about the best Samsung A54 screen protectors 2023. All the links are given in the description, do check them out. If you enjoyed the video, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more videos. Thank you.